and what I wanted to like do with my car in the first place is after I get it back, which means that I'll be getting my favorite drink, and then hopefully I'll be and hopefully I will be driving and hopefully that it will happen and I just wanted to say that and what I wanted to do, which makes it seem better for me, which hopefully hopefully I can bring my car back as soon as possible, and that's what I have wanted, and hopefully I will get it back, and hopefully, and I can't wait to get it back, and hopefully everything will be better for me, and hopefully everything is better because I hope that at just sometime, I can go to the mall with my car and then hopefully be walking with friends, and that's all I wanted to say, and bye, and hope to see you all later, and bye.